Hello and welcome back to another progress video for PathFinder. This is our progress in the past 2 weeks in the functionality department of PathFinder and all of the logic and blueprinting. So as you can see, this whole environment is going to be just a placeholder because the environments are going to be revamped. But regardless, I added this environment just to show you that there will be 2 buttons and there's going to be an environment, and this is where the player is going to start at a main menu. So since we're just doing that, I actually I tried to make like 2 environments inside of the same level, or like just have them in the same level. It's just more convenient. It's probably what we're going to be doing anyway. And so yeah, so these are going to be the buttons. So there are 3 buttons: self-reflection, AI coaching, and creative thinking. And actually, we have a laser pointer that we are able to use to point at self-reflection, AI coaching, and creative thinking. And when they pick one, like self-reflection, these 3 buttons disappear, and 2 buttons appear, which is deck 1 and deck 2. They get to choose what deck they are going to pick. So this is the blueprints for it. So as you can see, it sets the visibility of all the different deck display actors, and it hides like the 3 buttons, and it shows 2 of them. So yeah, as soon as the player clicks on deck 1 or deck 2, for now only deck 1 is works. If they pick deck 1, they will be teleported to the level, which is here, to another place or environment. So as you can see, the environment is, again, this is just a placeholder. We haven't combined the environments yet. I'll be showing you the blueprints for this, for the teleporting. This is the blueprint. So they got get user widget. Actually, this is for the button click, and this is for the teleporting. So as you can see, handle teleport to deck, and it gets the player pawn. It gets the target, which is this one, and it transports the VR pawn from one place to another. So this is the blueprint game mode for this level. And yeah, I've put like all of the timeline logic inside of this blueprint. You know, I've even labeled them properly so that like people will be able to read them, and they're organized. And as you can see, they're pretty straightforward. I mean, you'd be able to pick them apart. This is the custom event responsible for the background music and the initial voice line. And then when this plays, and this is, so yeah, I've just basically added some comments and, this is actually the new blueprints. These are the new blueprint designs over here. So yeah, let me just organize this real quick. There you go. So yeah. So the idea here is that we'll be able to have the player, and then after they pick the cards and the year path plays, they'd be able to whip out a journal that they could speak to. They would be using their voice in order to put in information there, because again, vocalizing things is very important for this game. That's what I learned when I was going through the demo. So that's what we're going to do in the future. We're going to have a person, and while the voice line plays, look at this first card, they'd be looking at the first card, and they'd be trying to examine it, answering the questions in the way they want to. And they'd have their journal where they could save the information that they've, they thought of, and they would see, and it'll be written there. So it's basically like speech to text, And so yeah, when all the cards run out right now in the APK, when you click next, you get transported back to the start, the main menu. And so yeah, that is the progress for PathFinder, and thank you for watching.